Alright, this is the top of the second page. So all of these eighth notes, you're gonna start by playing the F sharp. We're gonna be in second position. So use your second finger for that note, and your third finger for the G sharp, and then the next measure. This is the finger pattern for all of the half a page here. So 2, 3, 4 for the A, then cross over to the G string for B, C sharp, and D, and then 4, 3, 2, 1. The 1 for the E sharp is tucked right underneath the F sharp. E sharp is the same as an F natural. Okay, and so here it is now from the beginning of this line. And so you need to make sure that you have enough bow. So you want to start out mezzo forte, so close to the bridge, slow bow speed and a lot of pressure. And you'll just need to distribute your bow evenly. So you'll always want to save more bow on the first measure of the slur, because it takes less bow than the scale. So just when you're going between the F sharp and the G sharp, you don't need a lot of bow for that. So I'm on the F bow now. I'm starting the second line. So save the bow there, and then you can spend a little more on that part. All right, and then when you get to the third line, then we're just to the up and down part of the, and that repeats. All those numbers represent how many times you're going to play it. So 25 times you're going to do that. The first one, just take a note here, is in one measure for the bow, and then after that it's 2 measures for the bow. So you can use a little more bow on this first one because the dynamic hasn't gotten all the way down yet, so it's only piano. And then the diminuendo will start. And then you'll be at pianissimo. And it's always going to be 2 measures for the slur. And you want to make sure you have good left hand articulation. You want to hammer your fingers so that it's articulated. And you'll just repeat that until you get to measure 100 and looks like 101. And then all of a sudden we're going to change. We're going to add some new notes here, and so we've got F sharp, G sharp, and A sharp, and D sharp. So that's just an F sharp major scale. It's still in second position. Now you just have a higher fourth finger to get the A sharp and the D sharp. Sorry, it's a high third finger for the D sharp. And then after you get to the end of that measure 101, you're going to just go up a half step to play the F sharp. Now you're in third position. And then use your second finger again, a half step higher. Third finger, fourth finger. And then then the same fingering going down, so 2 second fingers in a row, and then you do the whole thing again. 2 2 2 2, and that takes you to D. Alright, so that's an F sharp major scale that you're practicing there. Alright, at the very bottom of the page, for the E sharp, again that's an F, so make sure that you have your third finger in place, regular third finger there on the C string. And then fourth finger for the F sharp, so it'll be a half step higher. And we're moving chromatically now. So now open, G, and back, and then first finger, second finger, half step, first, and then first up, 2 2, and you should end. That last quarter note is a B sharp, which is the same as a C. So make sure you're C and it rings nicely. And then C sharp, whole step away for the D sharp, and a whole step away for the E sharp, which is an F. So some of those notes look harder than they really are. Make sure you have nice whole steps between all of those notes. And then a half step here on the F sharp. Alright, now H. It's the same thing.